Molweni, sanibonani. Hey, Oma K, she ate that outfit and left no crumbs. Like, she ate it up. She ate and left no crumbs. Ube muhle, ugeli are hot. Like, ooh, no, that outfit definitely was number one out of all the outfit of the wives of that day. We did see Umacele came in with like a green dress with, yeah, and then we saw Nakona Umayeni came in with a all black dress. Also, she looked pretty. I loved Mayeni's heels. Oh, girl was rocking that heel like she's walking barefoot. But now, okay, Uma K, I know. Bekayimisele Nkosi yami, everything looked beautiful from your hair, your makeup, your earrings, like the makeup, the head was like popping her eyes out. No, she definitely ate this one. She ate it, Nkosi yami. She ate all of it and left zero crumbs. And even the bag that she was holding, like it was tiny and cute, just fitted in your pretty hand. Like she looked beautiful. She looked beautiful, nje. There was no distraction in her face. Her hair was pulled back. Let me know, what do you guys think? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.